Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? This is the day after Christmas. I've been going at it for a while. As you remember, we were in the middle of painting the rear of the car, prepping it and stuff, but for some reason, I don't know what happened. The car just doesn't want to start. The fans aren't coming on like it usually does when the ignition is on. I've checked all my grounds. My ECU is good. It doesn't smell burnt. There's no burns on it. I got a new main relay just in case that was the issue, because there's like a funky sound coming from the main relay. And I know for sure I need a starter, because it only cranks when I smack the shit out of the starter now, or when it falls into the right spot. So I finally got the test light. We're gonna connect the battery, see what's working, see if there's fuses that are blown that need to be fixed. Because my boy Isaiah, he told me about ECU fuse or something like that, but everyone's pretty much just telling me just check the fuses, which I kind of did, but not really. I kind of half-assed it. I just went through them kind of quick. I didn't really look. I was just seeing if there was any like blown ones quick, but I probably skipped a couple or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna do that now. I'm not gonna record going through the fuses or whatever. I'm just gonna try and figure it out, and then once I start it, I'm gonna get back to painting the back of the car. Then later I have to wet sand and buff El Camino, so I'll probably show a little bit of that. But let me get back to it, guys. Guys, so I can't even speak, dude. It's so early. I got Becky to start, bitch. Bro, look at this main relay. Alright, a main relay shouldn't look like this. Look at it. Look at it. It's blown. Dude, my camera is mad good, bro. Look at it. Oh my god. What's up, guys? So I spent the whole day buffing this right here, the Monte Carlo. Never mind, had to wet sand and buff the whole car. Came out really good. To the EG though. So I got the EG fixed. It's running again. I do need a starter, like I said before. And sorry if I sound like crap, dude. I was perfectly fine this morning. Now I'm like sick as shit, dude. I feel like complete trash. But this is what happened. The main relay had water on it and was doing a bunch of weird shit. But this thing is trash. I bought an AutoZone one thinking it wasn't gonna work, and it actually is working. The thing is, the way water got in this, the main fuse relay was sitting underneath the carpet under there, and for most Civics there's always going to be a little bit of water there, but really where it's supposed to mount, it's somewhere up here with the little bracket. Looks like this. I have the new one somewhere up there in the car somewhere. You're supposed to mount it there. Then not only that, but this ground was completely off. I fixed that. There was cables that were being touched, like just bare cable. The battery was dead. A bunch of weird shit. The fan wasn't going on. I have it automatically on, so when I turn the ignition, so basically I have it direct. As soon as I turn the ignition switch on, the fans come on. The fuel pump wasn't priming. Now it's priming. I'll show you guys now. See if she'll turn on first try. Mind you, like I said, the start is still iffy. Starts right up. She sounds super hot. I was gonna get it running. Oh yeah, race car. So like I said, it's running. It's working pretty good. I still got to get that starter. It's still a little iffy. Sometimes it cranks, sometimes it doesn't, so I have to smack the starter around a little bit. But for the most part, it turns on and it stays on. It doesn't sputter or anything. So while I'm here, what I think I'm going to do is take advantage of the time that I have left at the shop before I leave and finish prepping this. So like I said too, also, I'm only worrying about the front part that you can visually see. That back part, I'm not worried about it yet. I'm going to get to it when I get to it. For right now, we're just focusing on this right here. So I'm going to scuff everything, because I think Hector degreased it already. I'm going to scuff everything, and then start taping things off.
Degrease it one more time just to be safe. Degrease it, and then scuff it, and then primer it, and then mask it, and all that shit. Let's get it done.
Then started wrapping everything. I kind of did everything half-assed, but it's already kind of like grabbing. Maybe I should have scuffed it. See how it goes. I didn't scuff shit. I was going to, but I'm in a rush kind of. I want to do this like today, like now. So I was busy doing like 2 other cars. So I'm going to finish spraying the whole thing. To the first layer. Didn't come out too bad. Came out pretty decent. Have to hit it again some more. Hit up some spots. Let it dry for a couple and go back in. I'm not focusing too much up there because it's all gonna be covered with a sheet of metal. But I'm gonna get that top part just a little bit. I'm not gonna worry about back there. Just what I know is gonna pop out. And I'm not aiming to spray everything down with primer. I'm not trying to aim to spray everything down with primer, just the spots that I think I need it. And whatever is left over of the primer, I'll just spray wherever there's no primer. Let's go for that second coat, guys. Or third coat, or whatever the fuck it was. I'm pretty sure it was the second coat. Let's go for it. Anyways, I got the whole interior done. There's a little bit of overspray. Not a little bit, it's all over the place. But this I was planning to paint again anyway, so I'm not too worried about this. I'll just buy the paint that dyes the carpet. I'm not too worried about that either. But the interior came out pretty good. So we're gonna go back at it again with black paint tomorrow. I think that's it for today's video. It was another quick one. This is the first part of this. I'll make sure I make it a second part tomorrow. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.